Hey, what's up guys? Alex from Superwrap here. Today, we're gonna be going through a few do's and don'ts, a few tips and tricks to make your spraying experience that much better. So when it comes to prepping your wheels, do not use household cleaning products. Do use the Superwrap Prep Spray. First and foremost, take the wheels off the car. It's gonna make it that much easier to spray and you won't make a mess of your brakes or of the rest of the car. Once you're done prepping the wheel and you get onto spraying, make sure your first coat is a light tack coat so you can inspect the surface for contamination. Do your wheels have center caps? Probably. Do you want to spray them? No, you don't. Don't be this guy. Once you start spraying, really make sure you take your time and hit every angle of every spoke so that you're building up enough thickness on the entire surface of the wheel, and that way it's going to be very durable all around and it'll all peel off real easy. Please, by all means, take your time when it comes to prepping. It makes all the difference. Prep is key. When you're masking off the tire, once you're done, make sure you take a card or even your finger and press that tape into that gap to make sure that the product doesn't bridge between the rim and the tire. Because once you go to peel that off, you might lift off some of the product from the wheel. That's no fun. Make sure you apply 10 coats altogether. If you go any less, the product will be thin, it won't be as durable, and it won't peel off as easy. Hell, put on more if you want to. Make sure you have a minimum of 10 coats. Before you start spraying, check the aerosol to see what the base coat recommendations are. That'll make all the difference in making sure you hit the perfect color. Once you just finished up that last coat, don't peel the tape off just yet. Wait for the product to be completely dry and pull away from the surface. That way you won't have any issues with the product peeling off or having inconsistent edges. Always spray 8 to 12 inches away from the surface. Too close, the product will probably drip, and too far, you'll probably be losing some of that product through evaporation. 8 to 12 inches is the way to do it. Seasons are changing, or you've done way too many burnouts. Either way, if it's time to change those tires, make sure your tire shop is using a touchless system. That way you'll protect your finish from any kind of damage done by a crowbar. Please guys, don't spray on any kind of plastic. Our product is not formulated for all types of plastics. If you're not sure whether it's plastic or it's been clear coated, either test on an inconspicuous area or talk to your local automotive dealer. Do not spray on any dirty, damaged, or freshly painted wheels. Either clean them, repair them, or wait for them to be fully cured to 180 days and then you're ready to spray that Superwrap. So you've just finished spraying your Superwrap, you've unmasked the wheels and they're looking great. You can't wait to see what they're gonna look like on the car. Hold on a minute. Make sure that the wheels are completely cured before remounting them onto the car. You wouldn't want to damage that beautiful finish when you're tightening down those lug nuts. Do not clean or maintain your wheels within 5 days of spraying them. Your wheels are still curing. You don't want to be putting any kind of harsh solvents on the surface that might damage or compromise the finish. Do not go through automatic car washes. These car washes don't use high-end cleaning products. You might end up damaging your wheels. It's not worth the risk. Take the time, clean them yourself. Lastly, don't use a pressure washer on wheels that are either chipped or torn. All that's gonna do is get that pressure underneath the wrap and start lifting up more of it. What I suggest, a little bit of elbow grease, just wipe it down yourself, it'll be good as new. All right guys, so there you have it. It's that simple. Follow those tips and tricks and you'll have a great Superwrap experience. If you have any more questions, hit up our support team. They're always willing to help. In the meantime, subscribe, like this video. We'll see you in the next one.